So, here's a tour of what I consider suburban Africa. Suburban simply meaning just outside the main town. I am standing on one paved road, and I'm just gonna cut through because it's all just foot trails and tracks. Let's see what we got here. Hard to say what the population around here is. All of Lesotho is about, 2.1 million. This is Botha-Bothe, relatively populated area. 20,000? That sounds about right. What's wrong, buddy? Shop. I'll see. Leave me alone.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, where you come from?
Tabang. Hey. Up on the mountain, yeah. I'll go back to Botha-Bothe. Hey. Have a good day. Ooh, I smell pigs. Is it strange that I can recognize an animal by its smell now? Jesus. If there's a stinky animal out there, it's sheep. Sheep and goats. Quintessential latrines. Looks like a two-person job. Maybe 3. A lot of houses have these small gardens, but not enough rain. It does seem like I'm walking aimlessly, huh? At least the people in this country are polite. And I'm walking between houses. Happy, happy, man! Hey, Caleb, man! Hey, on to the top. Caleb, man. Every little touch of lemonade. Piggish. I am walking through somebody's yard. Merci. It's real pretty here after all the trash. Come on, man. Bana hocam. Shot. What? Okay, Botha-Bothe. Happy, happy. Now I'm just wondering. Lost with everyone else. It's gonna be a long video, I think. Again, this place would be even more amazing if there wasn't trash everywhere. It's part of the culture. You have trash, you don't let it lie. Melame. Koton mo me. Lepel Jean. Hamana tip. Melame. Well, I'm not so much as lost as I ain't never been here before. Alright, we're going to enter some urban areas, so I'm going to go ahead and call it quits, because that was more of a tour of the suburban area. And if you've seen the other videos, I've already done one of Botha-Bothe. So hopefully this wasn't too shaky or too crazy. Today I climbed that hill right there. Don't know what it's called. I was told once, but I forgot, because I forget stuff. All right.